Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Katie Davis. I'm a writer and an illustrator. I wrote a bunch of picture books, and I've also written published a middle grade novel and a YA novel. The other ones did not get published. I read a lot of them, but those didn't get published. We're not talking about those right now, okay? Just okay? So we are going to also talk about my writer's guides that I've written and the fact that I help writers. I am a co-founder of Picture Book Summit, and I founded the Writer's Block, which grew out of my work running the Institute for Writers and the Institute of Children's Literature. And it's really, really fun. I love it because I get to do live critiques, workshops online, and it's great. If you're interested in finding out more, you can go right there and check it out. It's information. Enjoy. There's also a million, well, not a million, but a bazillion videos for you to watch and listen to here to learn about writing. Okay?